Good evening, everyone. Mrs. Bird is telling us off or something. Not enjoying something, but she's probably enjoying the cooler weather now. It is 30 degrees and it is 8:33 in the evening. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. It was a beautiful day in the Okanogan. There's the moon. The sun is gleaming off the lake. Starship Enterprise, where the mothership is there. Beam me up, Scotty. There was probably 20-30 boats out on the lake that we could see. But yeah, a beautiful day in the Okanogan. Like I said, it's plus 30 right now and it's 8:30. If this is the start of summer and it's still spring for another 12 days, it is going to be hot and dry. So anyways, school zone speed limits are in effect tomorrow morning from 7:30 till 5. And yeah, it is going to be hot, hot, hot. A great picture of the moon. Anyways, Mama Bird is giving us heck. Hey, if you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. I like being in them. But I gotta get to bed. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Okay, we're gone. Have a great evening, everyone. Peace out.